traders, how you doing? Dale from the Forex Guy, and this is what you love to wake up in the morning and see on your charts, is this really nice setup on gold. That's my battle station sending me some alerts here. You just take one look at this chart and you just know it's a buy. Okay, this is really simple trading here, no confusion, no complication, high confidence level in this, and you're just going. What we have first is a nice flow of price action, a nice trend, and we can see that gold has been very bullish. Money really likes gold at the moment, so you can see that it's, there's a beautiful, graceful trend here. No harsh whipping up and down, no consolidation, just nice high highs, high lows. Second, we have a really big level here. All right, so if we go to the weekly chart, I actually left a note here to watch for a big sell signal, but we don't have that. The market actually broke through that level and is showing strength on top of it, so it's really screaming continuation here. Now I just need to zoom out a bit more. Now take a look at the price here. We're at 1800, and we have to go back in time to 2012. Remember when gold was the talking point of all the media and everyone was buying it back in 2011 here. I remember buying it around here, getting involved in this trend, and I probably even have some videos on my YouTube of me trading this, but you can see that basically that was the top around there, and that's when gold kind of peaked out just after this overshoot. I just remember all the hype about gold being expensive. There was a bit of a gold rush there, and we haven't seen those prices since, and we're back there now. So gold is really pumping at the moment. You can see that we've been in this really big rally here since 2 years ago. So that's the level. Like I said, I was waiting for a big sell signal here. I'm like, that's a big level. If we get some huge rejection here, big fake out or something like that, that could lead to a big sell-off. But gold is remaining strong. We're getting closes above the level, and now finally we have the rejection candle here, and we see we have that swing level kind of effect through there as well, where it was bouncing off there, this resistance, broke through, coming back down, and now we're seeing it print as new support there with this rejection candle feature that is showing us strength today. So I want to trade this. This is basically your textbook perfect swing trade, and the upside potential is huge because we're kind of breaking into highs again. This could easily be a 1 to 10 trade if we hold this out. So what I'm going to do is open up my trusty trade panel here. Okay, open sesame, there we go. Going to try to get the retracement entry. I'll probably put about 48%. Hopefully we'll catch that Asia session retracement there. Put our stop below the low here. We'll do this. We'll put 150 points in, like I said, and we'll hit the buy button there. And there we go. So waiting for a retracement entry. Let's see what that target is. Whoa, that's probably pretty long there. I might have to drop it down to 1 to 6. 1 to 6 looks pretty reasonable. These are summer markets at the moment, so that looks a little bit more reasonable. I want to hit it the target in a reasonable amount of time as well. With bearish markets, 1 to 10 is easier to hit because the market just tanks really quickly, and you can get those big drops. But you can see the uptrends, a little slower as it progresses. But we're going to ride this out and see. This is a really simple set, forget, collect kind of trade. Hopefully that it will just play out, no stress involved. We just have to basically ride a retracement or two here. We'll see the market go up, and we'll likely see a correction before it goes up. We might have another retracement there as well. If it goes up in a straight line, I'm not going to argue about that either. So I'll leave the video here. We'll come back and I'll let you guys know how it went. Hey traders, back here on a Thursday afternoon or evening, and my trade basically hit target on gold around the 1 to 6. Now I did try to squeeze for 1 to 8, but it just came a bit short somewhere up here before correcting, and I just missed out on that 1 to 8 target. I decided to exit at 1 to 6, which is basically my original plan. Just really out of fear that if we have a look on the US dollar, the US dollar has basically been the driving force of the of all these trends lately, and we're on major support of the US dollar here. This is the weekly chart, so we can see that that level's been pretty significant, and we have actually overextended on the daily here. So you know, we had nice extension, and we look to the left here, we can see that we had a similar extension, and that led to a very harsh rapid reversal. So just out of fear that that was going to happen again and the US dollar was going to make a big reversal, and we did start to see a bit of bullish activity picking up off there, and that's when I decided that I was just going to get out and not risk you know, that mean reversion happening. So that's basically why I pulled out of the gold trade. I would really like to have held it longer and milked this as much as I can, but this trade has been very nice, pretty easy, just a little slow to get going, which is annoying. Then it just absolutely took off, and these are the trades that you love to be in, right? This really nice, simple price action trade. I didn't have to do too much this. Look at the chart. These nice trend trades, you know, they just pop out at you. You don't have to think about your analysis too much, and you have to fight with those conflicting thoughts in your head, or what's on the chart. Oh, but this, but that, but this. It's just, you look at the chart and it's just very clear, pops out, resonates with you, and you just go, yeah, I need to buy this, I need to get in, and you have that confidence. Sorry, the site is not updated as much as it used to be. I'm working on inner projects at the moment in the war room, so I'm more in a development sort of research mode at the moment, and hopefully that will help me produce better content, unique stuff that you don't normally see around. And yeah, so I'm working on that. So if you're worried that I'm not around anymore, I am. If you want to come check out the site and learn how to trade with price action, get some tips and tricks and little secrets here and there, even tools. I'm pretty into all the tools at the moment. I make my own custom tools which are very popular, and I've decided that I would sell them all individually. Come check it out, and I hope to see you around, and best of luck on the training for the rest of your week.